Hey everyone, welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today, we're exploring 20 brand new DeWalt tools that every DIYer and professional should see in 2026. From cordless innovations to powerful job site equipment, these tools are designed to make your work faster, safer, and more efficient. Let's dive in. The DeWalt DCE 180 20V Max plastic tubing cutter is a compact battery-powered tool designed for precise and clean cuts on PVC and PEX tubing. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, while sharp blades ensure smooth, accurate cuts every time. Lightweight and cordless, it easily fits into tight spaces, making plumbing, irrigation, or HVAC tasks faster and more efficient. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this tool eliminates manual strain and speeds up projects. Its durable build guarantees long-lasting performance on repeated use, making it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify pipe installation and maintenance at home or on site. The DeWalt DCE 710B 20V Max pipe deburring tool quickly removes burrs and sharp edges from metal and plastic pipes, ensuring smooth connections every time. Its cordless design offers portability on any job site, while the brushless motor provides consistent cutting power and longer runtime. Lightweight construction and ergonomic grip reduce hand fatigue, making repetitive deburring tasks easier. Ideal for plumbers, HVAC technicians, and DIYers, this tool improves efficiency and quality of work while preventing leaks or improper fittings. Compact enough to fit in tight spaces, it's a convenient addition to your toolkit, providing professional-grade results in every project without manual strain. The DeWalt DCE 592 D1 20V Max GRABO Lifter Kit is a vacuum-powered tool designed for safely lifting and handling sheet materials like glass, metal, and stone. It allows a secure, scratch-free grip, reducing risk of accidents or damage. Cordless design offers complete mobility, while the rechargeable battery provides multiple lifts on a single charge. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into tight work areas and makes solo lifting faster and more efficient. Ideal for DIYers, contractors, and craftsmen, the GRABO lifter increases productivity, reduces strain, and ensures precise placement of heavy panels during construction or renovation projects, making it a must-have tool for professional quality results. The DeWalt DCF 860 WW1 20V Max XR Brushless Impact Driver Kit with XR POWERPACK delivers high torque for fastening wood, metal, and composite materials quickly and efficiently. 3 speed settings allow versatile control for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. Compact design increases accessibility in tight spaces, while the ergonomic handle reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. Its brushless motor provides extended runtime and longer tool life. Ideal for DIYers, contractors, and builders, this cordless kit eliminates cords and provides portable convenience for job sites or workshops. With reliable power and speed, it ensures consistent professional results every time. The DeWalt TOUGHSERIES construction jack is built for heavy-duty lifting, leveling, and bracing tasks on construction sites. Made from durable steel, it offers strength, stability, and long-lasting performance. Adjustable height settings make it versatile for framing, drywall installation, or temporary support. Lightweight yet rugged, it is portable enough for easy job site movement. Safety features ensure secure operation, reducing the risk of accidents during lifting tasks. Ideal for contractors and serious DIYers, this construction jack streamlines heavy lifting, improves efficiency, and provides dependable support for various projects, making it a must-have tool for professional quality results. The DeWalt DCD 997 20V Max XR Brushless Hammer Drill delivers power and precision for drilling into wood, metal, and masonry. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime, while multiple speed settings provide control for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. Ergonomically designed, it reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. Lightweight yet robust, it fits easily in tight workspaces, making it ideal for both workshops and job sites. Perfect for DIYers and contractors, this hammer drill combines portability with professional-grade performance, delivering consistent, clean holes every time. It's a versatile tool for any project requiring speed, accuracy, and durability. The DeWalt DCE 210D2K 20V Max Compact Press Tool Kit is perfect for plumbing and HVAC professionals who need fast, reliable pipe connections. This cordless press tool works with copper and PX pipes, providing secure, leak-free fittings without soldering. Compact and lightweight, it fits into tight spaces with ease, improving accessibility in challenging job sites. Its ergonomic design reduces hand strain during repetitive presses. Battery-powered operation ensures mobility and continuous workflow. Ideal for DIYers, contractors, and technicians, this press tool improves efficiency, speeds up installations, and guarantees professional quality results, making pipework faster, cleaner, and safer. The DeWalt DCE 050P1 20V Max Transfer Pump is a powerful solution for transferring liquids quickly and efficiently. Its cordless, battery-operated design allows complete mobility on any job site. Ideal for water, chemicals, or other non-flammable liquids, it saves time and reduces physical effort. Compact and lightweight, the pump is easy to handle yet durable enough for repeated use. It delivers reliable flow rates for faster task completion, making it a valuable addition to any contractor or DIYer's toolkit. This versatile pump improves productivity, minimizes spills, and ensures safe, controlled liquid transfers with professional precision. The DeWalt DWPW 3000 Max 11 GPM brushless electric job site pressure washer delivers high-pressure cleaning for tools, vehicles, and job site surfaces. Its brushless motor offers durability and longer runtime while minimizing maintenance. Compact design and portability allow easy transport to any workspace. With adjustable spray settings, it handles delicate surfaces and tough grime efficiently. Cordless operation adds mobility, removing the need for long power cords. Perfect for contractors, landscapers, and DIY enthusiasts, this washer saves time, improves cleaning efficiency, and maintains professional results in both workshop and outdoor environments. The DeWalt DCB PSCO550 PowerShift 555 Wh charger is a high-capacity battery charger designed for faster, more efficient charging of multiple tools. Compact and lightweight, it can be used in workshops, job sites, or even mobile setups. Its intelligent charging system protects batteries from overcharging, prolonging their lifespan. The charger is compatible with various DeWalt 20V Max batteries, ensuring flexibility across tools. Perfect for contractors and DIYers managing multiple devices, it saves time and keeps your workflow continuous. Reliable and robust, this PowerShift charger is essential for anyone looking to maintain peak battery performance and avoid downtime on critical projects. The DeWalt DCMWP 234U2 2x20V Max XR Push Mower is a powerful cordless solution for lawn maintenance. Its dual 20V batteries provide extended runtime and consistent cutting performance. Brushless motor ensures durability and longer tool life. The mower is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and ideal for medium to large lawns. Adjustable cutting heights allow for customized grass length, while the push design ensures quiet and eco-friendly operation. Perfect for DIYers and landscaping professionals, this mower combines cordless convenience with professional quality results, delivering a clean, even cut while reducing efforts and maintenance requirements. The DeWalt DCPS 660 AG2 PowerShift 60 kg class rammer is designed for compacting soil, gravel, and asphalt efficiently. Its robust construction ensures durability on construction sites, while the powerful engine provides consistent compaction force. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces operator fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for contractors and DIYers working on driveways, walkways, or landscaping projects, this rammer delivers professional quality compaction with ease. Its portability allows it to reach tight spaces inaccessible to larger equipment. Reliable, powerful, and user-friendly, it is an essential tool for fast, effective soil preparation and construction site efficiency. The DeWalt DCPS7154AG2 PowerShift Forward Plate Compactor is engineered for soil and asphalt compaction with maximum efficiency. Its forward-moving plate ensures even compaction, while the durable build withstands heavy-duty use on construction sites. Ergonomic design reduces vibration and operator fatigue, allowing longer use without strain. Compact size enables access to tight spaces and corners. Perfect for landscaping, driveways, and foundation work, this plate compactor delivers professional results quickly and efficiently. Its battery-powered design ensures portability without cords, making it ideal for contractors and DIYers looking for convenience, safety, and consistent performance. The DeWalt DCPS310AG2 PowerShift Backpack Vibrator is designed for concrete consolidation in construction and DIY projects. Its ergonomic backpack design distributes weight evenly, reducing fatigue during long jobs. The high-frequency vibration ensures thorough compaction, removing air pockets and improving concrete strength. Lightweight and cordless, it allows mobility across job sites. Durable materials withstand tough conditions, while intuitive controls make operation simple. Ideal for contractors and serious DIYers, this tool increases efficiency, reduces manual labor, and guarantees professional quality concrete results. Perfect for slabs, walls, and footings, where precision compaction is essential. The DeWalt DPG82-11 Safety Goggle maximizes eye protection during woodworking, construction, or metalworking. Its anti-fog lenses ensure clear visibility in any environment. Adjustable head strap guarantees a secure fit for extended wear. Lightweight and comfortable, these goggles reduce strain and discomfort while maintaining safety. Resistant to impact and debris, they meet OSHA standards, making them ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. Perfect for workshops, job sites, and home projects, these goggles provide reliable protection against dust, flying particles, and chemical splashes. A simple but essential upgrade for anyone prioritizing eye safety. The DeWalt DCF630B 20V Max Drywall Screwgun is designed for fast and efficient drywall installation. Its lightweight, cordless design allows maximum mobility and access in tight spaces, while the brushless motor delivers consistent torque for smooth, reliable fastening. Adjustable depth control ensures screws are flush without damaging drywall surfaces. Ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, making it perfect for both DIYers and professionals. The quick change nose piece allows for easy bit swaps, increasing efficiency on large projects. With its precision, power, and portability, this screw gun streamlines installation, saving time and providing professional quality results on every wall. The DeWalt DCS438B 20V Max XR Cutoff tool is perfect for cutting metal, PVC, and other tough materials with precision. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime and consistent power for professional quality cuts. Cordless operation ensures portability and flexibility on any job site or workshop. Ergonomically designed handle reduces fatigue during extended use, while the compact size allows access to tight areas. Ideal for DIYers, contractors, and fabricators, this tool provides fast, accurate cutting without the restrictions of cords or heavy equipment. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a must-have for any metalworking, plumbing, or construction project. The DeWalt DCS590WW1 20V Max Circular Saw Kit offers high-speed, precise cuts on wood, plywood, and composite materials. Its brushless motor ensures efficient performance with longer runtime and extended tool life. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces user fatigue while providing excellent control and accuracy. Adjustable cutting depth allows versatility for different project requirements. Cordless design increases portability, making it ideal for workshops and job sites alike. With reliable battery performance, durable construction, and professional-grade precision, this circular saw kit is perfect for DIYers, carpenters, and contractors seeking speed, efficiency, and high-quality results on every cut. The DeWalt DCE 600 D1 20V Max Hydraulic Knockout Toolkit is designed for electricians and contractors to quickly punch holes in metal panels. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement without cumbersome cords, while the high-pressure hydraulic system delivers fast, clean knockouts. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in tight spaces, reducing strain and fatigue. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even on demanding job sites. Perfect for repetitive punching tasks, this tool increases efficiency and accuracy. Its portability, ease of use, and professional-grade power make it essential for anyone working with metal enclosures, junction boxes, or electrical panels. The DeWalt DCE 450 D1 20V Max Copper Swage Toolkit is ideal for HVAC and plumbing professionals who need precise connections on copper tubing. Its cordless design allows operation anywhere without limiting mobility, while the powerful motor provides consistent swaging force for reliable leak-free joints. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces operator fatigue during repetitive tasks. The kit includes multiple jaws to accommodate various tubing sizes, enhancing versatility for different projects. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance under demanding conditions. This toolkit improves productivity, accuracy, and overall efficiency, making it a must-have for any professional or DIYer handling copper pipe installations. That's it for the 20 new DeWalt tools every DIYer must see in 2026. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on Power Tools Pro to stay updated with the latest tools, tips, and workshop upgrades. More exciting tool reviews are coming soon.